Unlock the winning crypto trading strategy to navigate market volatility. Do you want to learn a simple crypto trading strategy that always wins? Let's dive into the world of crypto trading, a realm filled with potential, but also riddled with challenges. The biggest hurdles for traders in the crypto space are market volatility and uncertainty. These elements can turn promising trades into losses in a blink. But what if there was a strategy that could help you navigate through this turbulence with confidence? A method that simplifies your trading decisions in the ever-changing crypto market. This strategy revolves around the core principle of risk management, combined with timely decision-making. It's not just about when to enter a trade, but also knowing when to step back. The heart of this approach lies in understanding market trends and signals. Technical analysis plays a crucial role, helping traders make informed decisions. But there's more. The key moment of this strategy is its emphasis on emotional discipline and patience. It's not about making trades daily, but making the right trades. This winning strategy also incorporates setting realistic profit targets and stop-loss orders, ensuring that you protect your investment and lock in profits. Diversification is another cornerstone. By spreading your investment across different assets, you reduce risk and increase the chances of catching a winning trade. Staying informed about the latest news and developments in the crypto world is also crucial. This knowledge can dramatically influence your trading decisions. Remember, this strategy is not about chasing quick wins. It's about building a solid foundation that leads to consistent success over time. By adopting this approach, you can navigate the crypto market with greater ease and confidence, turning volatility and uncertainty into opportunities. In summary, this simple yet effective trading strategy empowers you to tackle the crypto market's challenges, leading to more consistent wins and fewer losses. Embrace it and watch your trading journey transform.